If you are operating or extracting a tooth in a patient who has bleeding tendencies, maybe a heart patient who is on blood thinners, or a hypertensive patient, or any diabetic patient, or maybe just anyone who complains of or gives you a history that the bleeding doesn't stop easily. Okay, so what to do in those patients? You have to be prepared with 3 things by your chair side. Okay, number 1 is your gauze packs. Number 2 is your suture material and suturing instruments. And number 3, very important, is a hemostat gel. When you are extracting the tooth, the first and foremost thing that you have to keep in mind is be very gentle with the tissues, whether soft tissue or hard tissue, and avoid any unnecessary laceration because that has a tendency to bleed longer. After you have extracted the tooth and you see that there is more than normal bleeding from the socket, then the first step that you should do is put a pressure with your fingers, your thumb, onto the socket area. Even after pressing with gauze for a few minutes, you see that there is still a single point inside the bone which is bleeding. Okay, might be slowly, but you're afraid that it can keep on bleeding. Then what you will do? You will dip this gauze piece in the local anesthesia. Okay, with adrenaline. Adrenaline is a vasoconstrictor, remember, and you will put this pressure inside the socket with some instrument so that you can address that particular point with that pressure. Okay, and put that pressure for another 3 to 5 minutes. After doing this, even if the bleeding stops, then you must suture the socket. And the basic technique with which a socket can be closed is figure of 8 suture. Okay, must do this with a silk thread. Figure of 8 suture should be given on that particular socket because it will keep that clot inside and will not allow its easy removal. Third thing, just to be on the safer side and be very assured that the patient will not bleed after going home, you should give a pack with the hemostat gel. Okay, just a tiny drop of hemostat gel on the this gauze pack and give this as a pack on the socket. Ask the patient to clench tightly for an hour. This will sort any kind of local bleeding that the patient might be having, and you will be rest assured that your patient will heal very well. Yes.